Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell why you need a set of polarizer remover mode. Let's start with the configuration. This is vacuum pump charging cable. This is a mini-size vacuum pump. This is a vacuum air tube size 8 in right hand, 4 in left. It needs a hose connector between them. This is mode base. With a piece of anti-slip mat on the back, it can prevent the base from moving during working time. This is LCD model. The black part is soft foam. It has good air tightness. This is iPhone 6 LCD screen. We are going to remove its polarizer film. This is soldering iron with one-side blade, ceramic heater, quick heat, and durable, safe installation. Now connect the whole set of equipment. Connect the power cord and the vacuum tube to the vacuum pump. The other end of the tube connected to the mode base. Place the LCD model on the base. Connect the power finally. Now, just focus on the characteristics of the mode. Someone needs to pull out the flex and IC cable like this. When removing LCD polarizer film, several times blending the flex may cause problems like the untouchable screen, a display of the LCD screen, and other problems. With IC and the flex cable groove, you can put the LCD screen in it without blending the flex and IC. There is no problems anymore. Turn on the vacuum pump. The LCD screen will suck tightly on the model. You can't knock it down. The LCD screen may be as fragile as paper. If both ends are stressed, the center might buckle. If the screen were stuck tightly, this problem will not be caused. Pay attention here. Precision design of the mode makes the LCD screen is higher thickness of only a piece of the polarizer film than the mode. When working, the blade cannot crush the LCD screen. Both slots of the mode will stop it from moving forward. When the blade comes here, just like this, it can be good to avoid the blade damage to the flex, and there is no need to worry it will hurt your hand. No need to pull out the flex, avoid crushing the LCD screen, avoid shearing to the flex cable. Easy and fast operation. You need such a set of polarizer remover mode.